Hello, this is Senia and welcome to my sphere. Happy New Year, guys! Do you wish to create aesthetic and quality thumbnails for your YouTube videos? Are you having trouble coming up with one too? Since you are just starting off, you don't want to spend money on premium editing apps and fonts? As you all know, thumbnails are a very important part of any YouTube video, and to create an attractive and aesthetic thumbnail, you have to spend a good amount of time and money. Since I am just a beginner, it's difficult to invest in any editing apps and fonts. But after searching and watching tons of videos on YouTube, I found an alternative, which is our very own Instagram. Instagram is used by everyone and it is convenient too. In the past, I used so many editing apps for creating thumbnails for my videos that I found this to be the most efficient way of creating an attractive and aesthetic thumbnail, which is according to my preference and liking. Ever since I have been creating thumbnails for my videos on Instagram, you can see I can create them according to how I want them to be. So let's quickly jump into the tutorial. First, I will choose some pictures that I'm going to put in my thumbnail from Pinterest. It depends on you what kind of photos you want. You can easily get it from Pinterest. For my thumbnail, I want a brown background. You can choose whatever you like according to your taste. I want a simple background with tones of beige and brown, so I will choose this one. After downloading it, I am going to search for icons of different apps that I want for this thumbnail. You can also use Google or other sources to get the photos of your choice. You can easily find variety of photos there. To highlight my main picture, I will go to Instagram, then open my stories and select the photo from my gallery. I will adjust the ratio from portrait to landscape. I want to keep it simple, so I will just highlight the subject with borders to make it look more attractive. I will doodle with white brush and outline the subjects of the photo. You don't need to be precise, just do it with a light hand. You can see the difference it has made in the photo. It brightens up the subject. You can also add more accents, but here I just want the subject to be enhanced. You can use different colors and brush also. If you wish to add a filter, you can easily choose one that is already in Instagram. When you are done with editing, save the picture. Again, open stories in Instagram, go to the gallery and select the background you want. After selecting, in the top right corner, there is a sticker icon. Click it and scroll till you find the add-on icon and add the other photos you want for your thumbnail. Now adjust the position of your pictures how you like. After adjusting, save the photo. Select the save photo, go to add-on icon, select the pictures or elements you want for your thumbnail. You can also decide which shape you want your photos to be. Adjust the size of your photos and place them in your desired position. After placing everything for the title, Instagram already has few fonts available. I will use one of them, write what I want and choose the color of the font according to my color palette. I will place them accordingly. Then save the photo. As I said earlier, you can add your accents according to your preferences. To make it look more appealing, you can play with different fonts and colors to create the header title. Here I choose what I like and adjust the positions accordingly. To make it more aesthetic, you can also create DIY sticker patches like this with the help of the font box and place them where you like. Here I am creating sticker patches with dash. Save your final picture. And most important thing, don't forget and always remember to adjust the ratio of your picture to landscape according to where you are uploading. So here's the final outcome. It's convenient, easy and fun to create thumbnails. Very different video from what I usually upload, but I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like what you see, don't forget to like it and subscribe. Stay positive and healthy. Bye bye.